Connectors. Major connector. Take a central component of the metal framework. Primary function gives rigidity to the denture. Combines all other components of the metal framework. Not located on the movable tissue. Palate, maxilla, lingual aspect of the mandible, and very rich mandible. All major connectors should cross the midline at a right angle. Maxilla major connector. There are several different designs for maxillary major connectors. Complete palatal plate. Most rigid indications. Periodontally compromised teeth. When all posterior teeth are missing bilaterally. Flabby ridges. Shallow road. Hard tissue complete palatal plate. Least rigid, solely used if there is a large palatal torus. Palatal strap, metal strap that spans across the midline. Complete palatal plate. Horseshoe, complete palatal plate. Right horseshoe and palatal strap button. Strap button. Beating. This concept is exclusive for maxillary major connectors and has the describing of a 0.5 mm rounded groove at the cusp at the borders of the major connector. Adds strength and maintains tissue contact to prevent foot impaction. Mandibular major connector. There are different designs for the mandibular major connectors. Lingual bar, depth for lingual vestibule, more 7 mm. Lingual plate, depth of lingual vestibule below 7 mm. Anticipated additional tooth loss. All bilateral posterior teeth are missing. Linguatory. Labial bar swing lock. Labial bar has a hinge on one end and swing on the other, indicated when the canine is missing. Questionable periodontal prognosis, not the best option for soft tissue contour. Lingual bar or left, lingual plate, swing lock, bottom. Major connector. Lingual bar 7 above 7 mm, below 7 mm. Lingual plate, lateral posterior, additional tooth loss. Labial bar, plate, bar, swing lock.